2000 Chevy Tahoe, 5.3 liter V8. Got aftermarket catalytic converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. He didn't want it too loud, so we put a Flowmaster 40 series. If you guys want that muffler, it'll be in the description. Into his original tailpipe. Into a 4-inch rolled edge tip. Right there. Single exit. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2001 Chevy Tahoe, 5.3 liter. What we got done on it, still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then we straight piped it single, 2.5 inch all the way back. Right there, on one side. He wanted to eliminate the muffler, so we went ahead and eliminated the muffler. Right there. Looks really nice and clean. Let you guys hear it in a second.
Is that yours?
That's what they sound like. Flowmaster never disappoints. Excuse me.
I saw the plate and I was like, God, you want to say thank you.
Let you guys hear on the inside. Again. Sounds a lot better. Now it's actually traveling through the whole car, you know. Got deeper. Let you guys hear it on the inside.